Hello everyone, myself Shivam Gore, and today daily task topic is the pharmacovigilance database. The pharmacovigilance database is the system used to collect, manage, and analyze the adverse drug reactions means ADR, medication error, and other safety related data for the pharmaceutical products. This database helps to regulate the agencies, pharmaceutical companies, and the healthcare professions, detect the potential risk associated with drugs, and take necessary actions. Types of pharmacovigilance database. First type, now to discuss the types of pharmacovigilance database. First type is the global and regulatory database. Global and regulatory database is under for the VGBase, FAERS means FDA, adverse event reporting, UDRA vigilance, MHRA yellow card, India's PVPI database. They are the include the global and regulated database. For VGBase is the WHO Uppsala Monitoring Center, the largest international database of ADRs. The FERS is the FDA Adverse Event Reporting System used by the US for the FDA. UDRA Vigilance is the European Medicine Agency, covers the European Union, and MHRA yellow card scheme for the UK to manage by the medicines and healthcare products to regulate the agencies, and India's PVPI database is managed by the pharmacovigilance program in India. To pharmaceutical company database, the priority safety and database used by the pharmaceutical companies. Example, Argus, ARSG, Viva, and Viva Alt Safety are the example of the database used in pharmaceutical companies. Most used in the Argus and ARSG in most of the companies are used. The store and analyze the adverse event reported from the clinical trial, post marketing surveillance, and the literature. Hospital healthcare system database. Hospital and healthcare systems database. There include the electronic health records used for the monitoring drug safety in a real world setting. Regional ADR database used by the national health agencies and hospitals of pharmacovigilance. Function of pharmacovigilance database is collect and storage for receive ADR reports from the healthcare professions and patients, and literature. Data management is organized to characterize the report based on severity, drug type, and the patient demographics. Signal detection identify new or the emerging safety signals using the statistical algorithms. Regulatory reporting submit the safety database to regulatory authority for the risk assessment. Risk management helps in developing risk minimization plans and post market surveillance. Oral Argus safety widely used for adverse event reporting and regulatory compliance. RSG is the ARIS global is G is the long form of global, by provides the case of processing, signal detection, and risk management. And where there are various of database are used, and Oracle Argus safety is the most used in pharmacovigilance database. The widely used for the adverse event reporting and regulatory compliance. There would be like to inform to how to access the database. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Thank you.